Hey guys, Anthony Delmedico, SVG Storm Ventures Group, and I'm here today with Paul Olsen.
Yep.
With the Company Broker Group, headquartered
Denver, Colorado.
Denver, Colorado. A lot of contractors out there in Denver, Colorado.
The whole West, right?
Look, guys, if you're looking to sell your company, not necessarily today, but maybe next year, maybe in a couple of years, maybe you're looking right now. Paul's got a great business and story to share with you on why his company is uniquely positioned to sell your contracting company.
Yeah. No, it's an incredible, there's an old sentence, begin with the end in mind, and the other one is, one thing is for certain is that you can't run your business forever. People think they can work till 75, 80, I don't know why you'd want to, but you lose your energy after 60, 65.
Every entrepreneur's dream is to someday, I would hope,
yep,
maybe not to retire per se, to maybe sit on that island for 6 months and the business runs without them, or hopefully sell it, make some money off all that work they spent their whole life putting that thing together.
Yep. Most people haven't prepared for retirement. They haven't saved. They make a lot of money, but they haven't saved. And so selling your business and getting the biggest paycheck of your life is cashing in on your legacy. Absolutely. Yep.
Get in touch with Paul Olsen, Company Business Broker Group out of Denver, Colorado.
The website is companybroker.com. Company Broker. That's it.
Companybroker.com. Get some.